First, grab the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle. And you see that this corner is round. And when you drag this handle all the way to the middle, then you can get a complete round side over here. Create and edit gradients and select radial gradient here and just click and drag. Let's fill in a color, this green over here. Let's select the handle at the center and then click on white, create the highlight, and then I will drag this handle all the way until it touches the bacterial membrane. This bacterium produces 5 to 10 flagella. Let's grab the draw Bezier curves.
And then create some path that's like curved path. Increase
the width of the stroke. And then we change the cap to round cap. Apply it to all the other. Let's go to edit path style. And now what we need to do is we go to path and then click on stroke to path. You can fill it in with a color. And in this case, I will use the color, the same color as the bacteria. Okay. And then I will give it an outline too. And now the outline is really thick. So let's make it thinner. So you see that let's grab our Bezier tool and then, just create something like this and also a round cap. And you see I'm not closing the shape over here because then when I apply a color, you can create like this kind of feeling that the pilum is emerging from the bacteria body. So this is how you draw an E. coli.